Alright, Call of Duty just dropped the trailer. Let's give it a watch.
10 mics, and your asses better be in formation north of the stadium.
Orders are anytime, any place.
Sergeant J, keep your scouts in line.
Can we make a pit stop at the Komatsu? The new guy is low on rations.
Nice cinematic.
Take it fast, guys.
Who's that, a K-pop star?
The new supreme leader of North Korea.
No shit. I mean, that dude looks younger than I am.
Okay, current events, trying to keep it fresh.
You guys heard that?
Flashy cutscenes, I don't see nothing happening here. Looks like any story to Call of Duty at this point. There's some Asian talking. Ah, that's why you got the Asian 4. Gotta make the 4
Still a
look
wanted man.
a little Asian. We have Asian stuff going on in here. Someone getting snagged out.
Well, I had to.
We make our own rules of engagement now.
Now we're in Paris.
You are moving a weapon of war. The kind we deny exists.
You do what you need to. Because you know I will.
Yeah,
제발 찾아내라. 마을을 불태워서라도.
수류탄 투척! We're not ready.
We're not ready.
We could all die tonight. We don't even get a choice. You broke a lot of rules, Price. No more rules.
Call of Duty cutscene. Call of Duty 4, October 23rd. Volta Edition includes, oh yeah, the upcharge. Trash.